Kama vosio mujumbe w'ebunge ya West Mugirango omoske Steve Mogaka nigo aruro kobolia gotia asaba iboli wesokia na kubwaterana na boroki obunenchira ya moyo gosira chisemi mutwe gokwana kurase skuru y'abanyaruka ya Sironga litskoria rero Mogaka nigo akwanire chisemi imena iskoyoro ese imeyoro gongoro gusi nemono ase agokeri gatie chiskuru echi cyabere chigokoria buya nemono ase aboli abaroki w'abanyare gosirwa erio bunenchiremo yo gosira chisemi nacho chirache okonya amagima yaboroki wo ase amatukare mutwe buna ontiria gotumanya sorobotiro kobwatia
Kisha omoske Steve Mogaka omubunge w'ebunge ya West Mugirango imiye county ya Nyamira okire enchira chiskuru chensemiyo chigenderete gokoria na monasa masomo igitambukiro ateba geikirana gwetera haso kubwaterana na bwatani ao igatiawo abarai na bwatani bechisemi.
The results we posted last year, West Mugirango constituency emerged top in this county. We were number 1. Hebu wapigie makofi hata kama kanisa tuko. And I said this year we are going to compete at nationals, not at county, because tumepita regional, sasa tunaenda national.
Ukwana umugasolero ase skuru ye secondary ya Waisiki ya Sironga. Mogaka nigalira uche kugendera numokyoyo. Asogosira masomo ebyegwa na maganiande ase chisukuru.
I join others in congratulating you for the accolades that have been put on your shoulders and assure you as Member of Parliament of the constituency where Sironga stands, I will work with you, with your teachers, with your PTA and with your girls to make sure that Sironga girls will not miss a dance and song whenever examination results are posted in the Republic of Kenya.
Asense mwende abayibuli nigo bayenekiligwa obolindi boisaine asa boroki wababo chinga kibagenderete na masomo ase chinsemo ao ime ye county ya Nyamira no mo county commissioner wensemeyo Numusubati Jane Nyanumba umoroki omunene w'eskuru yo okwanero bolemi bwae asa boroki gwa Nale tayari kubwaterana na bubwatani bande aso gukora erango y'echisemi.
For us, we promise that we'll give you enough security on behalf of the county team and the security operators within the county that will enable you to do the things.
We have tested them. True to the word, they have proven to us that come the end of the year, they will give us a result. My prayer to you today and to God in heaven, Lord, grant us peace in our hearts, strengthen us in our minds, and give us an encouraging spirit. Help us to pass and shine. Not only do we need to succeed, but we want to come out as people who have purpose in the community, to give service to the community and to be great citizens of this country.
Kuruega se kaunti ya Nyamira litere nengoro kwa Daniel Untiri.